Ever wondered about the role of no-code platforms in the world of application development? No-code platforms are not here to replace developers, but to empower everyone, regardless of coding experience, with visual interfaces and pre-built components. No-code platforms let users create functional applications effortlessly. But let's be real, they do have some limitations. For complex projects, developers with coding expertise are still the real MVPs. Developers bring the skills needed for advanced features, customization, and fine-tuning. Instead of replacing developers, no-code platforms and developers team up for a more collaborative and agile development environment. Developers focus on the complex challenges, while no-code platforms empower a broader range of individuals for straightforward development needs. Subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of technology. Remember, it's not about replacing developers, it's about enhancing collaboration. See you in the next video.